Hello everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to make curd in Samsung Curd Maestro Refrigerator. For making curd, all you need is milk and starter, also known as yeast. You may also take the regular curd instead of yeast if that is not available. Pour milk into the vessel and boil it at more than 80 degrees Celsius temperature. Allow the hot milk to cool down. Make sure its temperature is not above 50 degrees Celsius and below 25 degrees Celsius. Please note, using the milk below 25 degrees Celsius will lengthen the curd making process. Transfer milk to curd container provided with the refrigerator. Add curd starter in the milk and mix it well. Please note, place the curd container properly so that the lid is locked. Now put the container in the Curd Maestro located inside the refrigerator. And press curd button on the display to select soft or thick option as per your preference. It will take 7 to 9 hours to get ready. Once the serve indicator turns on, then it means the curd is ready to serve. Take out the curd container from the Curd Maestro and enjoy the delicious curd. Serve indicator remains turned on until curd feature is deactivated. Please note, press the curd button for 3 seconds to deactivate this feature when not in use. So use this simple and super easy way to make curd anytime at your home in Samsung Curd Maestro Refrigerator. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.